On your screen right now, you will see the correct formula for making blood to be used in the cardiac surgery simulator. The system requires 6 liters of blood to function properly. And that 6 liters of blood is made up of a combination of stage blood, 3.33 liters, defoamer, 0.17 liters or 170 milliliters, and the remainder water, which will be 2.5 liters of water. This formula will be present also at the end of this videotape, as well as at the beginning. This is how we make the blood used in the cardiac surgery simulator. What we're going to ultimately achieve is a blood mixture that is then loaded into the system. And the way we do that is we take stage blood, and we take 3.3 liters of stage blood, put it into a separate container, and then we add 170 cc's of defoamer into the stage, or into the container, and then fill this container up to a total of 6 liters. That will make the stage blood. We'll use these containers for several other purposes, but what we have found to be useful is to mark the container in terms of the level of stage blood and then total volume that needs to be present in order to make the 6 liters of blood. You don't have to be exactly correct in terms of the amounts here, but it is important to get enough defoamer in the system so that foam won't develop within the cardiac surgery simulator, because that will make the device malfunction. What you're seeing on your screen now is a repeat of the first part of this video sequence. And it is the formula to make 6 liters of cardiac surgery simulator blood. You can stop this video to write down the components of the recipe if you'd like. We suggest making this blood by placing the stage blood in the container, adding the defoamer, and then filling the container up to 6 liters. There are alternate ways to make different volumes of the blood, but the ratio of 20 parts stage blood, 15 parts water, and 1 part defoamer should be maintained. The correct amount of defoamer is 50 milliliters per liter of stage blood. This is the correct mixture to achieve blood that has realistic characteristics and viscosity parameters. The recipe does not require component measurements to be exactly correct, but the addition of adequate defoamer is important to prevent foaming of the blood. The amount of defoamer is based on the amount of staged blood and not the final product of blood. So keep that in mind. Again, you can stop this video to write down the formula if you'd like. But to reiterate, it is 20 parts of staged blood, 15 parts of water, and 1 part defoamer.